Nigerian Senate probes DSS court invasion. Once more, this is Njenje Media Channel. This is a channel where we explore the truth behind the headline. The Senate today, being Thursday, the 12th of December 2019, mandated its Committee on Judicial, Human Rights and Legal Matters to investigate the reported invasion of a federal high court in Abuja by the operatives of state security services. This is sequel to a point of order moved by Chairman of the committee, Senator Opeyemi Bamidele. The President of the Senate asked Bamidele's panel to start legislative action on the issue and submit its report next week. Some suspected operatives of the secret police were shown in a viral video recorded last week making frantic efforts to arrest the publisher of Sahara reporter Omoyele Sowore. It remains to be seen what the DSS will eventually do, or rather, how the Senate will take the action. Because so many people do, however, believe that the Senate, as it today constitutes, are nothing but rubber stamp Senate. Not much is expected to come out from them. However, everyone is watching and seeing since the executive appear to have emasculated the judiciary and pocketed the lawmakers. One keep wondering what the future holds. If you recall, as a result of the Sowore incident, Punch newspaper had decided that henceforth they will no longer address President Muhammadu Buhari as President Muhammadu Buhari. Rather, they will address him as General Muhammadu Buhari, and his government will no longer be addressed as government, rather as a regime. They took this decision after reviewing what has been happening in Nigeria in the last couple of months, where the president appears or incapable to do anything to stop the things happening in Nigeria. So Nigerians, welcome to the next level, welcome to change. Fasten your seatbelt, this journey is about to start. This is once more Njenje Media TV.